Exercise 9.4, question number 2, 3. Find the product 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. 5 minus 2x, it has two terms in it. Here also two terms. That means binomial, another binomial. Okay, multiply these two binomials. The same steps, 5 into 3 plus x, second term minus 2x into 3 plus x. By distributive property, you can simplify this. 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into x plus 5x. Okay, second one, here negative 2x into 3, negative 6x, negative 2x into x, negative 2x into x, x square. Here x term is there. These two are like terms. 15 plus 5 minus 6, negative 1. Negative 1, no need to write it. 1, only variable enough. Okay, 15 minus 6 minus 2x squared. This is answer. Second one, x plus 7y into 7x minus y. These two are binomials. Multiply these two binomials. First term of the first expression, x into second expression 7x minus y plus second term 7y into second expression 7x minus y. Distributive property, x into 7x, 7x square, x into minus y, minus xy, next 7y into 7x plus 49xy, 7y into negative y minus 7y squared. Okay, 7x squared minus xy plus 49xy. Here minus xy means what? Minus 1xy. Okay, negative 1 plus 49. These two are like terms. You can add it together. Negative 1 plus 49 equal to plus 48xy minus 7y squared. Third one, a square plus b into a plus b squared. First term a squared into second expression a plus b squared plus second term b into second expression a plus b squared. By distributive property, a square into a cube. Okay, a square into a cube, a square into b square plus a square b squared plus b into a b plus b into b squared b cube. Any like term is there? No like term. A cube only one term, a square b square only one term, a b only one term, b cube. Okay, no like terms in it. Okay, you can't add it together. Okay, this is the final answer, a cube plus a square b square plus ab plus b cube. Next, p square minus q square into 2p plus q. First term p square into 2p plus q. Second term minus q square into 2p plus q. Okay. By distributive property, you can write it 2p square into p. P square into p raised to 1. P square into 2p. P square into 2p equal to 2 into p square into p raised to 1 equal to p raised to 3. Plus p square into q, p square q, minus q square into 2p, minus 2p q square. Okay. Next step, minus q square into q, minus q raised to 3. Any like term is there? P cube, no p cube term. P square q, p q square. Are they like terms? No, these two terms are not like terms. This is a p square q, this is p q square. This is a power is, what is the power of p? 2. Here what is the power of p? 1. Okay, these two are not like terms. Okay, this is the final answer. 2pq plus p square q minus 2pq square minus q cube. Next is simplify. Okay, x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. First you multiply these two binomials. X square into x plus 5. Okay, next is minus 5 into x plus 5. Last term plus 25. By distributive property, x square into x, x cube. Okay, x square into 5 plus 5x square. Okay, negative 5 into x, negative 5x, negative 5 into 5, negative 25 plus 25. Any like terms is there? This x cube term, x square term, x term. These three terms are not like terms. Minus 25 plus 25, it will become 0. Then therefore, final answer is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is the final answer. Same thing second one also. A square plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. First a squared into second expression b cube plus 3 plus 5 into b cube plus 3 last plus 5. Okay, first you multiply these two. Okay, a square into b cube, a square b cube plus a square into 3, 3a squared plus 5 into b cube, 5b cube plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 5. Okay, a squared b cube plus 3a squared plus 5b cube plus 15 plus 5, 20. No like terms in it. Okay, so write it the same term. Okay, but in this case 15 and 5 you can add it together, 20. But the final answer is square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b square b cube plus 20. Last question, t plus s squared into t square minus s. T into second expression, t square minus s plus second term, s squared into t squared minus s. Distributive property, then you can write it dt into t square, t cube minus t into s, t into t square, t into minus s, I mean ts. Okay. Next s square into t square, s square into t square, s square into s plus s square t square minus s square into s, s cube. Any like terms is there? No like terms. Only one t cube, only one ts term, only one s square t square term, only one s cube term. We can't add it together. This is the final answer. T cube minus ts plus s square t square minus s cube.